Hello wonders, welcome back to another video of Minecraft tutorials. As you noticed that I basically uploaded a video last night. Basically, we're going to be reviewing more Redstone handies and more gadgets of Redstone. But today's video, we're going to be interested in going into today we'll be doing verticalizing your Minecraft creations by transmitting Redstone power up and down. But for today's video, I basically worked on this combination lock here, which gives us the combination array. So you have to pick which one goes up and down and then text the iron door. But before we get this video, I want to say be sure you like and subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's get started. So if you guys do not know what power sources are what basically what redstone torches activate during redstone linings. For instance, we could take a piece of redstone and we could combine it in what the heck? Guys, I'm not sure you're seeing this right now, but there's like a weird looking cube right here. I don't know what that is. So I may do another video on that one. But anyways, we're not gonna worry about that white cube right there. We'll be discussing about how we can use power sources to create Minecraft transmitting. So basically we're gonna be starting up with an upward power transfer. Basically, or known as an upward power source. So here's an info on power source that are upward. Transferring redstone power up and down requires different mechanisms due to the mechanics of the game. Since Minecraft's outside of a sandbox, or in a sandbox, I should say, we could basically understand the fundamental concepts better. Transferring upward means your power source is on the ground and you want to provide power to something above you. Like it could be a latch gate, it could be an upward vault, it could be anything. Now, first thing you're going to need to do is you're going to grab a few items. We'll need just any block of your choice, redstone torch, and redstone dust. Firstly, just place a block here. Place any block right there. Secondly, you want to place the torch above the block, and then have another torch. No, not another torch. Have another block up here, and then put redstone dust right there. That is your first power source. Or another cool thing is that I'm pretty sure you guys never know. You can actually heard this before, is that you can actually place a block up top and it'll burn out that redstone torch. How is this working? Well, due to the fact that redstone torch is basically have a companionship or a capacity of using the redstone guides, we can define that the redstone does actually transfer any block there is up to here. And basically it's not common for the petrified oak slab, which I'll review in another video, but we know this redstone torch right here is actually power off. Another cool way to do this is you can actually take the previous block you built. It's just the same block again. And then this time you can add 3 blocks above. 1, 2, 3. Make sure they're going to the left. And then place redstone dust here. And now place the signal here. You want to place at least 3 lines, 2, 3, with a lever or pressure plates. And all you do is flip the switch right here. That redstone torch will power go off, same with here, and then we'll turn on this redstone line. Easy power source is that you're basically verticalizing any upward or downward spirals, which symbolizes the fact that the redstone torch actually gives off the thermodynamics into lining up this power source. What else we can think about? Well, basically we're gonna now move on to the downward power transfers. So what this means is that your powering source is up and you want to power something below you. Now this one's a hard one, so you have to really pay attention. Because it's so counterintuitive. Intuitive means basically it's so hard, it's not understandable, it's just like, it's complicated. But I'll teach you. So the first thing you want to do is you want to create your upward power source by creating this right here. Now, this one goes a little weird. Instead of placing a block above the torch underneath the torch, if we do that, it will basically give you a clock/impulse circuit. So go up a few blocks and you should have a block like this. Then you want to have redstone above here. And now another cool thing is you can actually publish the block here. There we go. So above here, and then you want to place 3 more blocks going this way. With the redstone torch being out here, which powers on that redstone, and having two more above here, and place a lever here. And then you have this right here. Now, as you see before, how is this not effective? Well, we want to take redstone dust and we want to place it this way. And then if you put a lever here, it will not do nothing. So mostly verticalizing these right here can actually give you a reason why. Now for starters, if you want to do the same thing again, you come around here and you can actually do the same thing as well. Only realize that it will not do nothing. It will just make it more simple. Now mostly one more thing I want to show you is that power sources can actually reduce pistons. So yes, you can either grab a regular piston or a sticky piston. Now firstly you want to have your base right here, which is the block here. Then make sure you have pop a torch like up here, and then have redstone coming this way. Then take a piston, and then basically what you're doing now is you're gonna take the redstone dust and put it right by the. You're actually gonna take a little hidden secret. Take a redstone torch, you put it there, and then extend more of it out until you have a lever here, and then flip the lever. Well, basically this is not do nothing because we haven't done nothing yet to it. Delete that redstone line, and then just push it back. On the other hand, the redstone torch here mostly works fine if you basically just add another block above it, and another one extending down with the redstone, with basically a lever here. They'll basically do the same thing as well. This is not a combination I was talking about to you guys. And that right there concludes my video here of how you can verticalize any power sources using redstone torch that transmit above you.